Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Crunch Sports. We are back with another preview for Mumbai Indians versus Kolkata Knight Riders today, and we have Rishi back with us. Hi, Rishi.
Hello, Somil. How are you?
I'm fine, bro. He's supporting the MI Pulton, as everyone knows, and I was not seen for a while now, but you'll see me more regularly. So before we go ahead, check out our Discord community. It's by the fans and for the fans. The link will be in the description box. So now let's go get on with the show. So Mumbai, they are coming from a defeat, which is not a big thing, like big concern for them, as they have proven earlier that they come back very strongly, and they have won four titles in the past 9 years doing that. So, and KKR is coming from a win which was at Chennai. So, Rishi, what do you think about that? What mindset will Rohit Sharma be in?
So yes, definitely that there's something to learn from that first loss. It's not like completely that they are going to be confident that we'll have a win. I mean, yes, that loss must have affected them, but not as in that they would have completely lost the confidence in themselves. They know that what the team is, how the uh, how well the boys play. So
Yes.
they generally take time, one match time to get into that grind, and then they start and then when they come back, we all know that how they come back strong. So
Yes.
we have to just
They,
give them one match time, and then they'll probably get into the mix. Maybe they didn't have their strongest 11, so that's not where they were balanced. So we needed Quinton de Kock. Quinton de Kock wasn't there, so he'll come back into the squad. So that would be a balance, I think. And then they'll win. What do you think about KKR?
Yeah, KKR. I think they'll go with the same 11 because they have won a match, and I don't think there's much to change in that. Uh, yeah, they have all the boxes filled in the past match. Nitish
Right.
Rana, he performed really well, and special mention to Rahul Tripathi as well. He played a very quick innings of 53,
Yeah.
I think, in 29 balls. Yeah,
Right.
so he was effective for them. So I don't see them changing their 11 or their any opening combination or anything. I think they'll go with the same team. And you are saying
Right.
that Mumbai will have a change of Quinton de Kock coming in for Chris Lynn, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. And this is a predicted 11 for Mumbai Indians. Quinton de Kock comes in place for Chris Lynn. The lineup for KKR remains the same as they have nothing to change. Yeah. So going on, we know that two matches have been played at Chennai, and one has been chased, and the another has been defended. So, what do you think will be the role of the toss?
Yes. It is very important because it is not easy to chase.
Yes.
Yes, RCB changed it, but then it is not really like it is not really so easy to like what see. Main thing is that you need runs on the board when you keep a target. You need 180 runs approximately, which yesterday we saw Kolkata Knight Riders scoring 180 plus. So when you have a target like 160, I think Mumbai Indians still did a good job in taking the ball to the last match. I felt that that match would have got over in 15 or 16th over, but then Mumbai Indians did a fantastic job. So this is one more positive which we can take away from that match is that they took the match to the last ball and kept those RCB hearts pumping.
Yeah,
So
I thought
RCB
RCB
weren't
pulled
relaxed.
pulled out another RCB. So,
Yeah, so they weren't completely out of the game till the last ball.
yes.
So when we saw that it is one out of one ball, one run, so then we thought that yes, RCB has a chance not to win, and if Mumbai has to win, then it will go to the super over. But then
The last ball
unfortunately, it
was
was not
also
that.
very, close. If
Yeah, it was close.
कुछ इधर उधर
Right.
होता तो आरसीबी
Yeah.
का काम खत्म था.
So right. So yeah, that's what. So you need a good total, and then I think the target can be defended there.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on that?
See, KKR has chased. They have defended it, so that pretty much speaks for it. I think
Right.
if I win the toss, I'll probably bat first because I want runs on the board, and
Right.
then I'll defend. But another factor
Yeah.
here is that the dew factor which comes in Chennai, because these games are starting at 7:30, so the dew
Yeah.
doesn't come like very soon. It'll come after like 45-50 minutes after the match is being played.
Yeah, so that's what happens. That's why scoring in the first inning is so crucial. When
Yes,
you're over 10 overs and then you get those
exactly.
remaining 10 overs, and then there's the dew factor which comes into the play, and then after the second inning start, there's not much dew. So defending that time is pretty much easier than bowling first.
Yeah, and T20 is a game of very, minute differences. We saw in the earlier match against
Right.
yesterday's match, uh, one or
Yeah.
two boundaries, and SRH might have won the match. You never know. So
Yeah, exactly. It'll just take one ball to change the whole game. Like
yes,
one ball,
it
which
just takes one ball to change the
yeah.
whole game. Exactly. Yes. So now moving on. So what is your prediction? Who's going to win the toss?
I'll again go with Mumbai Indians to win the toss.
Yeah.
They'll win the toss. They'll choose to bat first.
Okay.
Hopefully.
So yeah, I think Mumbai will win the toss as well. So that's my prediction, and they'll choose to bat first.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now coming on, since this is Chennai, and we have already talked about the pitch and everything. So, what do you think will be the target range given by the first team being played?
I would expect Mumbai Indians, if they win the toss, to score around 170 to 180, 185. Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe more than that, and I'll be happy. But 175 or 170 has to be the minimum score.
I think with the bowling which Mumbai Indians has, they can defend any total. They can defend even 100 runs if
Exactly,
they
they
have
can
it.
even they can defend that, but then on a given day, KKR can take the game away as well, right?
Yes,
Because they have
exactly.
Russell. So when you have someone like Russell in the opposition team,
Yeah,
it's not like Mumbai Indians is playing against Rajasthan Royals or any other team.
yes,
See, there's no discrimination, but then yes, when you see that practical thing that Russell is um, someone like who can destruct the game in 5 hours, he can take that game away. That
yeah,
100 runs is just a 5 minutes, 5 hours game for him.
yeah.
So yeah, we have to be a little more careful when Russell is there, and then you need a good total to put up, and then the rest is on Bumrah and the bowling lineup which we have.
Yeah, I think same as well because
Yeah,
you'll need some runs on the board to defend.
right.
So I'm going with a target range of 170 to 175. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah, under that, I think the team will easily win the match. So
yeah.
one player that you think Mumbai should be scared of, like they should keep an eye on that player from KKR.
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to what Nitish Rana does. Nitish
Yeah,
Rana has been playing, but then yes, we have seen last 5 innings of his. He has scored an 80, then he has got duck out, then 80 again duck, 80 again. Maybe this
this
match he
time a
gets
duck.
duck out, so it will be not fair. So yeah, either Nitish Rana or Shubman Gill might be those who will trouble
Yeah,
on
Shubman
the back.
Gill, I think he missed out on runs the other day. So I'll
He
want
was
him to
scoring well.
score
He
some
was
runs.
scoring well. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. He was scoring well, right?
yeah.
But then, yeah, something happened. He got out.
I'll want him to score more runs this time. Yeah. So
Yeah,
going on with another question, since we are playing this game, as you all know, uh, who will be the highest wicket taker from your team?
I'll go on with with Jasprit Bumrah for this match. Jasprit Bumrah will be the highest wicket taker.
Jasprit Bumrah will be the highest wicket
And
taker for
what
you.
about you?
I think it'll be Pat Cummins. He's
Yeah, what
playing.
do you think that KKR who will be?
I think it'll be Pat Cummins.
Okay, Pat Cummins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's bowling exceptionally well. So, and he's their 15.5 crores, I think. They paid for him.
Yeah, 15.5.
So,
Right.
so he's totally showing, he showed his worth in the other match. So yeah, I'm backing him for that.
But then, do you think that Abdul Samad, when he hit him for 2 sixes and then Best
Oh
also
yeah.
hit him some, so do you think that would have affected his confidence, or do you think that
No, I think
he's a legend, so that
yeah,
wouldn't have mattered?
he's a class player, and I think he'll be back for the game, and he'll be there because you see in death overs, if you get hit for like 10-15 runs, it's like you can bear for it. And he bowled exceptionally well in the other 3 overs. So in the death overs, of
Yeah.
course, the runs will go. We all know that everyone will go smash, bang, bang. So yeah, I'm backing him.
Okay.
Yeah. So now the last question for today, in the preview, who will be the man of the match? What do you think?
I feel Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma.
Yes.
So you're going him. How much runs will he score? Just wild guess.
I'll say between 75 to 80 runs, or maybe
75
more
to
than
80.
that. Yes.
Okay. I'm going with Jasprit Bumrah to be the man of the match. I'm choosing
Okay.
yeah.
And how
So
many
I think
wickets do you think
he'll
he'll get?
decide the game for. He might not take wickets, but he'll put the pressure, on the team, and
Yeah, so that's what Jasprit Bumrah always does. But then
yeah,
when he doesn't get that much credit,
yes.
which he has to get.
Last
That
time he
is
got
one thing which
27
is
wickets, I think,
sad.
but
Yeah,
last IPL he got 27 wickets, but I think what he could have got 5 to 6 more if the game he plays is he puts pressure on one end, and from the other end some
yeah,
other guy comes in and takes a wicket.
takes the
So
wicket. That's what is quality of a good bowler. He keeps
yes,
pulling good, and then the batsman is under pressure, and then he goes for the attacking. Other bowler
yes,
gets the
and
wicket.
that's what is unique about Mumbai. So
Yeah.
yeah, so let's end the preview for today. So make
Yes.
sure you guys like and share, and hit the like button, and also check out our Discord community. We have been planning something there, so hope to see you all soon. And thank you for today, and thank you, Rishi, for coming. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.